Sumunod na lang. Pasunurin na lang. Pasunurin na lang.
Oh, yes, sir. Are you ready, my dog?
Yes, yes. We will put it here.
Ilalagpapalit sa atin. Are you Mr. Vitaly Sodorovetsky?
Sodorovetsky, yes.
Yeah. Good evening. Okay, this is your Miranda rights. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in any court of law in the Philippines. Okay? You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to counsel at your own choice. Okay? If you cannot afford the counsel, the government will be provided for you at any government expense. You understand, right?
Yes. My question is,